For the past few years, Argentina has been riding an economic wave, mostly generated by the exports of soya. But analysts warn difficult times are just around the corner, and a new report says the country may slide into recession in just months. Daniel Schweimler is in Buenos Aires for the edge of recession. Daniel?
On the surface at least, Buenos Aires is still booming. Its streets clogged with traffic, consumer spending high, and the restaurants and coffee shops bustling. But look under that glittering surface and there are signs of another reality, of what may lie just around the corner. The tiny soybean is big business. Argentina's emergence from its last major economic crisis has been largely built on the back of it, with exports predominantly to China and India. But soya is no longer enough.
And what we observe in the last 3 to 4 months is like big declines in consumer confidence. And these big declines in consumer confidence tend to forecast also a decline in consumption.
A report published this week by the prestigious Torquato di Tella University says the figures don't lie, that recession has always followed a drop in its leading indicator on the country's economy, the latest falling by more than 5%.
Whenever the probability of going to a recession reaches a number higher than 95%, it has always happened in the last 25 years we have been producing this index, that the economy, in effect, after 3 or 6 months, goes into a recession.
Rising inflation, bloated government subsidies and massive capital flight, along with difficulties elsewhere in the world, have all been mentioned as contributing factors to Argentina's predicted decline. Recent government measures to prevent the slide have been criticised as ineffective. Argentina has a long tradition of economic boom followed by recession and sometimes catastrophic busts. So these predictions of imminent recession will be nothing new. Argentines will be fairly certain that they're correct, but will be hoping that they're not as bad as in the past. Daniel Schweimler, CCTV, Buenos Aires.